If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Crypto.com, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure you have received any verification emails from Crypto.com. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure that the documents you submitted for verification are clear and meet the required standards. Check for any missing or incorrect information. Step 3. Resubmit your documents. If your documents were rejected or if you believe there was an error, resubmit them through the Apple website. Ensure that all details are accurate and legible. Step 4. Contact support. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification can take time, but they will inform you once your account is verified or if further action is needed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. Good luck,